What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we're at the one and only Palace Station. Now, Palace Station is an interesting casino, to say the least. Honestly, this casino is very underrated, but luckily for you guys, it is only 7 minutes away from the Strip, so it's not that far of a drive. However, if you're only going to Palace Station for the buffet or poker, I hate to break the news to you, but they no longer have it. So they no longer have poker, and they no longer have their buffet open because of COVID. But it's not coming back. None of the station's casinos' buffets are coming back. But they do have more restaurants available. In fact, you've probably already heard of one of them because it's the Oyster Bar. And we all know that if you've heard of that Oyster Bar, then you know that their Oyster Bar is better than everybody else's. And that's not my opinion, that's just a fact. Like, everyone who comes here to eat at the Oyster Bar always says that it's the best oyster bar they've ever been to, even though casinos like South Point have the exact same oyster bar. But alright, no more spoilers, let's get into the actual casino. This casino has about 5 entrances, and I'm not even kidding. But the one that we went into, you could see the oyster bar immediately and the charcoal room next to it. But the oyster bar always has a line, so get there early. They only take their last call at 7:45, but they moved the line to the oyster bar to next to the charcoal room and the table games. So be careful of that and just make sure you get in line early. That way you're guaranteed a spot. And as you can see here, they have plenty of table games, probably more than we've seen in a while. But the coolest part about this casino that I want to talk about is their Sin Bar or Sign Bar, however you'd like to pronounce it. It's their movie theater, and honestly, if you're staying here or going here for like Oyster Bar or something, go see a movie. I guarantee you, it's a Regal theater, so if you sign up with the app, you can get like $6 tickets every Tuesday and half off popcorn and Pepsi. And on Mondays, you can also get 25% off candy, but that's not the point. The point is you buy your tickets and they have a lounge for you to hang out in. So they have booths, tables, they even have balcony seating outside. They offer a pool table that you can use, and they have a full bar, and this is all before or after your movie, depending on whenever you want to hang out here. Also, they have a menu. Now, they have a menu because they like to run things like a restaurant. So basically, you scan the QR code on your phone, and then somebody will come into the movie right before it starts, take everyone's orders, and then you pay for it on spot there, and they deliver it to you right before your movie starts. So you can literally sit there and have dinner in a movie, and it's so amazing. We got the potato skins to play it safe, but oh my god, the food was amazing. Like, I 12 out of 10 recommend this experience. I had so much fun with my mom. They also have a sports bar called the Tailgate Social, and the Boathouse is an Asian eatery, and my parents said it's really good. And these two can be found next to what would have been their buffet, but since they're closing it, it can be next to all of their slot machines. So Palace Station actually splits up their casino. So like slot machines are in one area, table games are in another one. Here's another view of the charcoal room, which, if you didn't know, is a steakhouse, and it's actually pretty reasonably priced considering it's a steakhouse inside of a casino. They also have a Starbucks that is open until 9 o'clock, and they have a gift shop right next to it, but next to that is their front entrance. So when you walk in, from the right would be the registration, and the left would be your shuttle arrangements. They also have a pool, and it is open to the public. I repeat, the pool is open to the public. You just have to pay, so here are the prices. However, if you are a hotel guest, it's free. If you weren't impressed by the restaurants, they do have the Brass Fork, which is considered to be their cafe, and it's open 24/7, and it is next to the pool. So to give you guys like where the pool is, it's in the corner next to the Lightning slot machine. They also have Keno and Bingo. Even though they don't have poker, they do have a sports book. They also have a bar in the middle of their layout. Also, I'm so sorry that this clip is kind of shaky. I was walking because there is a lot of security over here and I was not trying to get kicked out. So here's the bar that I was telling you about. And also, they have a food court that they're actually adding to it in a little bit. So they have Panda Express and Wingstop for now, but they are also building a tacos and tequilas restaurant, which I've never heard of, but that's exciting. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and smash that subscribe button. Toodles!